Hi everyone, welcome to the PC Pal. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Python on Windows 11 step by step. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, I've got you covered. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Python website. Click on the Downloads tab. After the download complete, click on the file to open the installer. Before we click Install Now, make sure you check this box here. Add Python to path. This is super important because it makes Python accessible from anywhere on your system. Got it? Great. Now, click Install Now. The installer will now set up Python on your system. This may take a few minutes. Now you can see some optional components being installed, like pip, which is Python's package manager. Once the installation is complete, click on Close. Next, let's verify that Python was installed correctly. Open the command prompt, then type this command and hit Enter. If you see the Python version you just installed, Python is installed on your Windows 11 system. Now let's test Python. Open the command prompt, type Python to open the Python REPL. To further test, type Python and press Enter. This opens Python's interactive mode. Here, you can type simple commands like print, hello, Python, and see the results instantly. And that's it. You've successfully installed Python on Windows 11. Now you're ready to dive into coding, whether that's building a website, analyzing data, or creating games. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to your channel name, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding.